Today we're going to show you how to assemble the Cyclone rake. I've taken all the parts down. I had them hanging in the garage and I've got them all laid out right here. You can kind of see here's what's going on. There's the main frame. There's the actual bag. Here's the hose that goes from the motor to the bag. There's the boot that goes on the mower deck. Here's the extra hose that I have. We won't use that. That's when you're picking up in areas you can't reach for your driving. Here's the wheels, there's the braces, and there's the motor. Next we're going to show you how to assemble. Okay, so now we've got the frame. I've got it tipped over so I can have access to the bracket where the wheel goes. All you have to do is pull out one pin like this, insert the wheel back, drop the pin in, and you're good to go. So now you can see I've got the wheels on, I flipped the frame over. Next thing we're going to do is put the bag on, and so it just hooks on the back right here. So I'm just going to step into here and then lift this up and slide it on, and you're pretty much ready to go. Next thing you do is you unhook this to get you to catch up in here, and you're good to go. Now that we have this hooked up and braced, you just slide this up, and now this will come down, and then you just uncollapse the bag like this. It has those same sort of brackets. You can pull them out and pull those out. Now your bag is set up. All we have to do next is hook on these brackets. You'll see we have these two brackets that help hold the bag apart. One's a little longer than the other. I don't know if you can see that right here. One's a little longer. The short one goes to the front. The longer one goes to the back. They simply slide in. And here, have to push the bag apart a little bit to get it in. There's some notches that notch in. And then you just tighten these wing nuts. And this one's ready to go, and the back one is just the same thing. So now I'm hooking this up to the tractor. Basically, you just line it up to the bracket on the tractor. Drop in your pins, and you're good to go. Okay, next thing you do is you loosen these, grab the motor, and put it up into place right in here. Lift it up. I find that putting this on this side is a lot easier than having to walk over. And then you put these, just turn these right back in and tighten them up, and then the motor's on. I'm going to show you how to put the boot on for demonstration purposes. I'm going to show that to you, but just so you know that before you do that, you need to take out this insert. Get a close-up of that. This is a mulching insert, and to do that, you have to take the deck off. I'm not going to show that today. I've already showed that in the video on when I showed you how to sharpen the blades, how to take the deck off. So you have to take the deck off to get the insert off. But today I'm just going to show you, we got these little silver knobs here. Then this boot fits on like this. And then you just tighten these on again, tighten them down, and then that's on. But remember, you have to take the mulching insert off first in order for this to work. Okay, then the last step that you need to do before you start the motor up and start using the Cyclone rake is hook on this tube. And you'll notice here this says blower. That means that you hook this side up to the blower. It just simply hooks up with these two clamps here. Loosen them up. Get it all lined up. Click it on. Go to the other side. Do the same. Click on. And then you hook it up here to your boot. Same thing. Go in here. Get your clamp. Go to the other side. Get your other one. You're ready to go. And then this is how you hook the bag up to the motor. Just put it on with these brackets, same kind of brackets as you had to hook up the tube. Click it over, put it on. Now the bag is hooked up. Next thing we're going to do is start it up so you can see it run up. This has been in storage since last fall, and what I do when I store it is I always turn off the gas. There's a shut-off valve. I'm going to turn that on, and then I'm going to go show you how to turn the choke on, and then make sure that it's turned on right here. And now I'm going to try to start it.